Hey guys, I'm back. You want me to make more videos on my baby kitty? That's it. Have you seen him? Get over here. Say hello. Go Bachi. Bye. If you want me to make some videos with my cousins again, just tell me. Okay, bye.